If you pop some TabTech tape and a few die-cut strips into a ring and ask them to spar, well, there won't be much point, seeing as they're tape, and therefore incapable of wearing the appropriate protective gear or throwing right hooks. But that's not the only reason why TabTech tape and die-cut strips going toe-to-toe makes zero sense. They're also completely out of each other's league. You'd never catch a heavyweight and a featherweight in the same ring. It would never make it past the weigh-in. And pitting TabTech tape and die-cut strips against each other is no different. Traditional forms of adhesive tape like die-cut strips are usually slow, clunky, inefficient. From cutting to size and peeling back liners to fiddling with sheets, these cause inefficiencies, and these inefficiencies spiral into delays, errors and unnecessary costs. Every minute your operators spend picking at tape or tag teaming oversized sheets delivers a knockout blow to your margins. Worse, unreliable third-party tabs often fail, creating even more headaches in production. That's why traditional die-cut tapes in this instance are the featherweights and TabTech the heavyweight. TabTech combines the precision of die-cut parts with the ease of a roll format, making application faster, reducing errors and requiring just one person for the job. In other words, it takes the weaknesses of die-cut strips and turns them into strengths. Pre-cut to the perfect length and featuring built-in tabs, paving the way for speedy applications and fewer errors, whilst only requiring one single operator. In turn, your production line benefits from time saved, reduced costs and consistency across every application. The winner here is clear. TabTech delivers a technical KO every time, no fisticuffs required. Ready to transform your process with an adhesive solution that packs a punch? Head to prestontechnical.co.uk today.